Buffer tools. Buffers are an excellent way to visualize zones around points or lines. For a point buffer, for example, you might show a 0.5-mile radius around a school to discuss the area where students might live. To do this, select the Point Buffer tool, set the radius to 0.5 miles, and adjust the styling options. For instance, you can make the fill transparent to see the background map. Click on the school's location and the buffer will be added. You can then zoom out to view the full radius. For a line buffer example, you might want to explore the impact of river flooding. To do this, select the Line Buffer tool, set the buffer to 50 meters, and adjust the styling options as needed. Draw the line along the river, and as you zoom in, you can examine how housing near the river might be affected.